All right, continuation. Remember, I said something had bitten the tops. Must be deer. Um, we're more within the city limits, so usually they come in the evenings or dusk. But we had a fog last week, and I think they were in the fog. So that's my dahlias. I need to put some more dirt around them, so hopefully they'll start to bloom. My lilies are done for the year. My dahlias. My little pumpkin. I'm sorry, my little banana tree. I'm thinking about my pumpkins. So, if you look closely, there's a watermelon in the basket. That dahlia's done really well this year. Squirrels. Squirrels are going to drive me into the next zone. Um, that's why I actually put a separate feeder down there because they were getting into the bird feeders and breaking my plants and sunflowers. All right. Check that out. Pretty cool, huh? And my peppers. This one's getting taller. Still no buds. But I believe it's due to all of the overwhelming heat that we had uh, last several weeks. I think it's killing. Ooh, ooh, I have a little flower in there. See it? Nice.